Can it be crawled? Let's go check it out. That side looks pretty steep. Oh, this is doable. This is called Cupid Span, installed in 2002. Gosh. Oh my gosh. This is fiberglass. Beautiful Bay Bridge in the background. Getting hard to see up there. That's about 12, 15 feet up there. Oh, I'll have to catch it. I'm directly underneath it right now. Oh, yes, got it. This side's almost definitely going to be too steep. Going to have to devise something to create downforce, but let's see how far we can get. I'm going in until someone kicks me out. Whoa. Wow, there's almost no traction on this. Just a little bit of grip in a couple spots. Oh, oh, oh! There's traction up here. You can see there's a little bit of grit in some areas. All right, it gets gritty. It gets grittier the higher up you go. Oh, come on. Go. Gotta find the grip. Yeah, this is going to be a lot harder than it looks. Getting up that, very slick. well, I think that's gonna be it.